For decades, humans dreamed of walking beyond Earth. Now imagine the next giant step. Not just visiting another planet, but living there. Scientists and space agencies are already designing future Mars habitats. Massive glass domes could protect people from deadly radiation and freezing storms. Inside these futuristic cities, humans might grow food, recycle water, and create oxygen from the Martian atmosphere itself. Robots would build homes before astronauts even arrive. Solar farms could power entire colonies under the dusty red skies. But Mars is dangerous. One small mistake could mean disaster millions of miles away from Earth. Still, humanity has never stopped exploring, from caves to oceans to the moon, and maybe soon, Mars. The question is no longer, can humans reach Mars? The real question is, would you live there?